Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to make your data come alive and actually tell a story, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through how to build a beginner-friendly dashboard in Google Sheets using Looker Studio right from scratch as of 2025. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a visually rich dashboard that helps you see insights instantly, rather than digging through endless rows and columns. Whether you're a small business owner, a student, or you just love to get organized, this is a must-know skill that'll seriously level up your data game. All right, let's jump straight in. First things first, you'll want to have your data ready in Google Sheets. Maybe it's your budget tracking, a project timeline, or some survey results. Whatever it is, it should already be entered into a sheet. If it isn't, take a moment and do that now. Good dashboards start with organized data. Assuming you're set, go to the top of your Google Sheets window and click on the Extensions tab. This is where all the magic plugins live. Think of extensions as your toolbox. This is how you connect Sheets to powerful tools like Looker Studio. Now in the Extensions menu, look for Looker Studio. If you don't see it right away, don't panic. Sometimes you need to click on add-ons first or install Looker Studio if you haven't already. Google keeps things tidy but a little hidden sometimes. Once you've located Looker Studio, give it a click. Next, you'll want to select Create a Report. This might feel a little intimidating the first time because it kicks off a connection between your sheet and Looker Studio, but don't worry, I promise it's just a few quick clicks. Selecting Create a Report is basically telling Looker Studio, hey, these are the numbers or info I want to visualize. You'll notice a checkbox for Use First Row as headers. You absolutely want to check this box because it lets Looker Studio know your column titles like date, revenue, or project aren't just data but helpful labels. This really matters later when you're building charts and need to spot trends at a glance. There's also an option for Include Hidden and Filtered Cells. Make sure this box is checked too. Sometimes you'll have rows you don't always want to see, but including them here ensures your dashboard isn't missing any hidden data. Think of this like casting a wide net when you go fishing. You want to catch everything relevant. You'll also spot Include Selected Range. Just leave this one unchecked for now, unless you only want to work with a specific chunk of your data. Most beginners want the whole dataset, so it's best to bring it all in. Once you've set your options, click Create. Now Looker Studio will start building out your report. If your sheet has a lot of info, this can take a few moments, so don't worry if you see a loading screen or a spinning wheel. Just take a breath, it's doing all the heavy lifting for you. When it's done, you'll be taken right into Looker Studio with your data laid out and ready. This is where the real fun begins. The platform will generate a basic report to start, but the best part is that it's completely customizable. You can add charts, tweak colors, drag and drop info, and really tailor the dashboard to suit your needs. Try thinking about what's most important for your story, maybe a bar chart for sales or a pie chart for tasks completed. And that's it, you've just created a beginner dashboard in Google Sheets using Looker Studio. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below if you have questions or want to share your dashboard ideas, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy dashboarding.